But is this the most stunning beach in Cornwall? It quite possibly could be, but you can't get on it. You're not allowed on it anymore. If you want to find out how, then watch this video. Where are the steps at Bedruthan Steps? Because you can't get on the beach. So apparently the steps have been out for the last few years, sort of 4, 5, 6 years they've been out. There's a gate across and it says you're not allowed to get through. Obviously the actual steps, what in Bedruthan Steps refers to, are these here. So the legend goes that a giant wanted to get between one place and another and made the steps to get over. But that's not the steps that we're talking about. The steps that we're talking about are these. So these go down onto the beach, but it's closed. Well, I got to say, so far that was a bit easier than I expected. So I'm just going to take it really steady, and I already see that there's no handrail down here. I've just droned it, and I can see with the drone that the handrails are out, which is probably why it's closed. These sides are clearly likely or liable to cliff falls. There's also apparently 120 steps. So it's like most things, you take your own risk. And that is what I'm doing, hoping. I've never been down on these steps before, I will say. No handrail here. So if you decide to do this, then please be careful. I hope you get to see the video. If you get to see the video, it means that it worked out okay. If you do get to see the video, it probably means it doesn't turn out okay. I've not got the best shoes on because they're a little bit slippery. And these steps actually are really, really steep. So look, already it's steep. So the sketchiest part, I think, is coming up because it's all very much covered in algae. So look, there we go. Just trying to grab hold of whatever I can. Right, now I've got nothing to hold on to. And somebody asked the question, are these footprints? Yes, they are. Wow. What a beautiful beach. I mean, like, I'm the only one here. And look how amazing it is. The sun's gonna set in about an hour. And I've got a whole beach to myself. The tide is coming in, mind. How cool is this? So beautiful. Let's turn you around. So I would definitely keep away from any of the cliffs because they're all pretty dicey. So do be careful if you come onto this beach. It's not for the faint-hearted, but you might be the only one on it, which is somewhat cool. What on earth is that? Must be something, maybe an octopus or something. It's like such a vibe on this beach. It's almost like you feel in a cathedral, you know, it's just so beautiful. And the landscapes are just massive. You just got these massive, great big rocks everywhere. And you can see why people thought it was made by giants, just because the pure scale of it, when these stacks are just huge. Amazing. I wish I had more time here. I really do. How much longer I should stay on this beach? What do you think? Would you risk it? Would you stay until sunset? Would you risk the tide? The high tide, I think, is about 11. I don't know, tell me what you think. But if you look at where everything is, the high tide is like about 2 meters up from here, at least, maybe 3 meters, 2 meters. Trouble is, it's just too photographic. But I don't know if I can get anything decent. It might all be rubbish, so we'll see. Right, tide is still coming in. It's now 20 to 9. I'm still okay at the moment. I've got another half an hour before the sun sets. I really want to see it down here if I can, but I see that the water's getting closer all the time. Fingers crossed. But it is just beautiful down here. It's like, I just don't want to leave. I mean, we're staying on the campsite tonight up there, and I'm kind of so chuffed really that we chose to stay there, to have this opportunity to be on this beach. Never thought I would, but wow, what a beach. We might do Nanjizzle tomorrow. We'll get cut off by the tide, which is going to be a bit of a hike. I don't know if Jane's going to cope with that, but if you want to see how she copes with it, then please remember to click the subscribe button so you see, and remember to turn that little bell icon too, so that you can see when we upload a video, because most of the people that are our subscribers don't seem to actually see when there's a video, so remember to turn that on. It does get turned off by YouTube, strangely, over time, so just check it's on. Anyway, I'll take a few more pictures here, get back to the van, get back up those steps. I think Jane's gone back into the van now because she's not at the top of the cliff anymore. So you see the steps are over here, and now the water is almost cutting me off. So the worst steps, the This first lot, once you get past these, it's not so bad, but there's no handrail. Thank you so much for watching. If you're a subscriber already, thank you very much. And if you're not, please consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us out. And if you've enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and remember that bell icon too. And now I'm going to leave you with some amazing drone footage. Hope you enjoy it.